Teka muna.
In one
Jimmy.
sentence, hindi suspicious ang timing? Not at all?
Suspicious or not, kung may pananagutan, dapat imbestigahan.
Mahigit 5,500 flood control project ang natapos na at marami pang iba ang kasalukuyang ginagawa sa buong bansa.
But also they have to realize there's two sides to this. Sinasabi yung flood control, talagang nang-overwhelm ang flood control natin. May flood control tayo, may flood control tayo, may flood control tayo. Hindi kaya, hindi kaya. Hindi kaya.
And I was a witness to it.
Pag-call ka, no?
Yes. And in fact, nag-donate kami dyan, fully liquidated.
Yes.
You know what? Sa kapraningan ko noon, I kept all the records of the liquidation para pag dumating yung mga panahon na ito, meron akong panglaban.
ka,
No? But the point is, you know, Alan in particular, he's my friend. Disclaimer ha, disclosure. He likes to make beautiful things. Gusto niya maganda, maayos, orderly. Pero tuwing gagawin ba natin yan, lalagyan ba natin ng mali siya? Recently, nag-resurface na naman yung mga kikiam issue na matagal nang nadibang.
Ano yung kikiam?
Dati, sinabi nila, ang pinapakain daw sa athletes, sa laki ng budget, puro kikiam. But
yun
actually,
ba yun?
it was a poor picture of some, I think,
Chicken longganisa.
Oo, na masarap,
Sabi
na
ni
wala
Senator
problema. But the fact that that is resurfacing on the internet means there is again an effort na coordinated na imalign si Senator Cayetano.
Okay. Attorney Jess, patok o putok?
Outgunned but not outclassed.
Okay.
Siyempre yung patok, no?
Okay.
Kasi, President Duterte, with all due respect to the two gentlemen, cleared Senator Alan Peter Cayetano prematurely. Noon, I remember this very distinctly nung panahon na yan, no? But I'd like to point out, madami pa din kasing questions that remains to be that needs to be answered or that remains to be asked. Si Senator Risa Ontiveros, kaya galit na galit si Senator Pia Cayetano kay Senator Risa, I have to say this, is because Senator Risa was one of the first na nag-question dito sa 2019 SEA Games and she did not accuse corruption. She just asked questions na yung joint venture agreement, bakit hindi dumaan sa bidding, may behes loan ba, is it a white elephant? Ang daming tanong, hindi pa din nasasagot. At ang isang tanong din dyan, bakit ba nag-react si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano? Kanina lang sa ating sariling show and sa ibang mga interview si Senator ni NBI Director Alan Matibag, NBI Director Melvin Matibag.
Mismong si House Speaker Alan Cayetano na ang humarap sa budget deliberation ng Philippine Southeast Asian Games Organizing Committee o FISGOC. Siya rin kasi ang chairperson ng grupo. Una niyang ipinagtanggol ang nasa 6 na bilyong pisong budget para sa SEA Games hosting. Wala pa dyan ang gasto sa pagpapatayo ng mga pasilidad para sa sporting event.
Okay, palagay ko inimbestigahan niya na yun.
Okay.
Kita mo, ilang cabinet members ang tinanggal
I
niya.
cannot agree with that, Attorney Sai.
Bakit?
Dito din sa show na to, napag-usapan natin dati sino napakulong ni President Duterte na corrupt. Wala.
Mali ka doon.
Pero
Yung sa customs, yung brand niya, dalawa. Pinakulong niya. Nakalimutan mo na yata yung sa customs, ha?
Hindi lang kulong, pati yung tinatanggal sa posisyon kapag may whiff of
kailangan
corruption.
kulong.
Diba?
Mas importante yung kulong.
Hindi, dalawa ang kinulong niya. Brad niya pa, fraternity brands niya.
Anong ginawa ng dalawang customs boss?
Hindi ba tumanggap ng magkano yan? 50-something million?
Wasn't it the BI? BI yun.
BI.
Whatever, BI. Pero mga
BI
brands
pala.
niya yun.
Yung brands na yun, dalawa.
Mga brands na yun, pinakulong niya.
Senador, may napakulong siya?
Ay, hindi, pinag-uusapan. Sabi mo, walang
No, flood
napakulong.
control, flood control.
Pinakulong na nga.
Okay.
Mahigit 5,500 flood control project ang natapos na at marami pang iba ang kasalukuyang ginagawa sa buong bansa.
Well, let's go back to Camp Crame, where our correspondent Vivian Gulia is standing by for the latest on the detention of Senator De Lima. Vivian.
Hi, Linda. Senator Antonio Trillanes and former Commission on Human Rights Chair Eto Rosales arrived here at the PNP Custodial Center past 4 p.m. to visit Senator Laila De Lima, who is detained in compliance with the commitment order issued by Muntinlupa Regional Trial Court Branch 204 Judge Juanita Guerrero. The same branch issued an arrest warrant against De Lima yesterday for her alleged involvement in the illegal drug trade at the New Bilibid prison during her stint as Justice Secretary. Trillanes has just left, and he said that De Lima appears to be more relaxed now and is looking forward to get some rest tonight after a busy day He expressed satisfaction with the security provided to De Lima inside the custodial center with 4 female PNP personnel as close-in security. Trillanes, who was also once detained while still in public office, said De Lima can still perform her functions as a senator even in detention, though limited. She could sign bills and issue statements on national issues. Meantime, Rosales has yet to enter the custodial center. It appears that she is not in the list of De Lima's visitors. And earlier today, De Lima was accompanied inside the custodial center by her lawyer, attorney Alex Padilla, Representative Kaka Bagao, son Israel, and 2 brothers. But they left before 3:30 p.m. and De Lima's family refused to give an
Na-cleared ng ombudsman si Senator Cayetano.
No.
Don't forget, na-cleared din ng ombudsman
Then ni Duterte daw.
Vince
Dizon
Dizon.
ng BCDA kasi talaga
Yes.
implementer on the ground.
And what I said was, President Duterte.
Oo.
Sabi, walang kinalaman yan si Alan. Okay yan. Ganon.
Wala
Sabi
akong
ni PRRD.
hindi mo-
Iba yon. Yung kay Vince Dizon, may mga nagkaso ka na BCDA, then BCDA chief, Vince Dizon and a few others, they were cleared by the ombudsman.
Oo.
Ngayon, hindi ko din alam yung detalye ng kaso na yun. Ako din, hindi ko sasabing exempted si Vince Dizon.
So in one,
Bakit ikaw muna?
in one
Jimmy.
sentence, hindi suspicious ang timing? Not at all?
Suspicious or not, kung may pananagutan, dapat
Teka
imbestigahan.
muna. Unang-una,
Ang naalala ko, sir, si dating Speaker Martin Romualdez po. Meron po kaming video at saka mga pictures. Saka kay, yung dinala po sa Ilocos. Kami po yung nagdala doon sa Delta Gate, hangar sa Pasay. Yung 5 maleta po na dinala doon sa Ilocos. Na dinala ni Sergeant Tobe at saka ni Boss Saldi. Ikinarga po namin sa Lexus na bulletproof, plate number at saka binakapan po namin ng Hilux na bulletproof din. Ang narinig ko po nun, sir, para kay President Marcos, sir.
Gabi po kami dumating ni Kong Saldi.
Nakita ba ninyo yung kamag-anak nila o pamilya ng mga opisyal?
Yung time na dumating po kami, Your Honor, is sila lang po. Nauna po si Kong Sandro, then next po si President, then si First Lady po yung dumating, nag-dinner po sila ni Kong Saldi.
ikaw muna.
In one
Jimmy.
sentence, hindi suspicious ang timing? Not at all?
Suspicious or not, kung may pananagutan, dapat
Teka
imbestigahan.
muna.
Mahigit 5,500 flood control project ang natapos na at marami pang iba ang kasalukuyang ginagawa sa buong bansa.
Okay, but also they have to realize there are 2 sides to this. Sinasabi yung flood control, talagang nang-overwhelm ang flood control natin. May flood control tayo, may flood control tayo, may flood control tayo. Hindi kaya, hindi kaya, hindi kaya.